Reza, welcome. Thank you for
you.
coming today.
Yeah, thanks for having me.
So, could you introduce yourself and VueReal?
Reza, CEO and co-founder of VueReal. My background is been kind of going all the way from doing high-level digital to analog and now doing semiconductor stuff. So what we do at VueReal, we developed a printing process that we can take any devices manufactured in the wafer level, turn them to a cartridge, and then print them on a surface. So what it's going to do is going to enable a lot of functionality, flexibility at the kind of on the panel side. So if you have a display or you have a sensor, you can do a lot of different function, different high-performing displays. So it's going to enable a new way to manufacture kind of hardware that wasn't possible before. So the advantage is going to be a lot on the power saving, extra functionality, and also the whole process of printing is very clean compared to traditional way of making those large displays. So it's clean tech, and also it's going to enable the next generation of products, consumer, automotive, aerospace, kind of those type of applications.
Very nice. Talking about next product, why is now the right time for you?
When you look at the industry, you feel that at some point, some part of the industry is stagnating. So if you look at the overall user experience and the hardware, you see that what's happening on the surface of all the equipment, all the devices that we use, the phone, the tablet, even the display in the car, everything kind of stay the same, nothing extra you can do. And it's kind of, you feel there is a momentum that is pushing that to do more. You feel that in the industry, and there is a lot of potential there that this technology would enable. So if you, for example, on the automotive, it can create a completely new design language combined with autonomy, combined with the EV. In consumer market, it can create a lot of opportunity in terms of virtual reality, in terms of interaction with the device, power saving, also creating a lot of biometric security and health. So you feel that momentum is there and they want to push it, and that's why it's the right time right now.
Very nice. So today is our first TDK Ventures Portfolio Summit. Did you enjoy it? Was it valuable?
Yeah, it's actually very good to see a lot of companies, even if they're not directly involved in what the field, but also to hear their story, what they do and how their struggles and what they learn is always valuable. The startup is the game of a struggle, how fast you can resolve it, how fast you can move around, and a lot of those struggles are the same. It doesn't matter what you do, a lot of them are the same. So learning and hearing it from other people is always valuable. It's going to save you a lot of time, headaches, and at the end, that could be the moment that you could scale or you could stagnate. So yeah, always these events are useful.
Very nice. Which portfolio company was your favorite today?
Besides VueReal.
Yes, besides VueReal.
Yeah. So there is a portfolio company that was working on analog
inference.
Yeah, and they were doing analog kind of processor for AI application. I found it very fascinating because I did actually some research in that in the past, and I had some issue when I talked to them and they resolved that. I was actually really excited because I think it has a lot of potential. So one of the big issues with analog processor in general, they are not deterministic. But with AI, you don't need deterministic application. You need fast, low power, and it needs to be within the accuracy that you want. It doesn't need to be 100% accurate. So it's a perfect application for what they do, and I think they're going to do great.
You were very good because you went straight to why they are special. Yeah. Very nice. What does TDK goodness mean to you?
So over the past year or so that we got involved with TDK, I kind of enjoy the team a lot. I don't know how to describe it. Sometimes you feel that there is a connection and then the spirit is there, and that's kind of the feeling we have toward. It's not just me, everybody at VueReal think the same. Ehsan, my co-founder, or VP of Finance, or HR, everybody feel the same way about TDK, and we're really, really excited about that. So that's kind of in general, but if you look at the specific things, all the support in terms of connection within the TDK, outside TDK, it's been amazing. So even the conference we went to, the corporate venture group, all those meetings that you guys enabled, it was fabulous. Thanks.
Thank you. And you mentioned about the connection with TDK. I know you're working with a team in TDK Japan.
Yes.
How valuable is this?
Especially in hardware side, it's very hard to do stuff on yourself. You need to have a lot of strong partners, and you are as strong as your partner. TDK is one of the strongest company in the hardware and deep tech, and so being able to sit there and talk to them directly and see what they have that can help you or what you have that can complement what they do, it's an amazing opportunity. So yeah, we don't take that lightly. We're really excited and hope it get to the next level and we get something together.
And I know the TDK team loves you, so I'm sure there will be a lot of things coming out of it. If we think about 5 years from now, what do you want VueReal to be?
Let me start with our end goal. So our end goal is to enable this manufacturing platform that doesn't matter if you are doing high volume or low volume, you can use our printer, buy the cartridge, and make your application. You can print and make the application that you want. So that's what we want to do. So hopefully we are in the right path and the right step in 5 years to enable that. What we are doing right now, we are focusing on a couple of applications that we think has faster potential to get to the market. Unfortunately or fortunately in business, you still need to make money. It doesn't matter how cool the idea is, you need to get to money as fast as you can. And so we are focusing on some of those applications that's going to enable that, and also it's going to help us to mature the platform for the end goals. Hopefully in 5 years, those two applications that we are focusing is in mass production, and we are a step closer to our end goal of that turnkey solution for hardware applications.
It's a very smart strategy to build a platform, to prove it with select applications. What would be the next challenge that TDK or TDK Ventures can help you with?
As we scale, there are a couple of areas that is, especially in deep tech. As I mean, the big part of it is partnership, is it's support from TDK and also getting introduced to other potential partners that can help scale to the next level. So every level comes with its own challenge, and getting the right partners is very crucial. So that's definitely one part of it. The scale-up team that you're building, I just had some discussion with your team about hiring the proper people, how you take, how's the approach, what you take that. That's another area would definitely help. It's a crazy, challenging problem most of your portfolio company are trying to solve, because these are deep tech. And they are a small company, so any support they can get on all these areas would be very helpful, and you're doing that fabulously.
Thank you. So my last question is going to bounce on what you said about the scaling team. We just built it in the last 12 months. How valuable do you think it's going to be for you and other portfolio company?
We have had a couple of interactions already with your team, and I think that's going to grow. It's as I mentioned, the resources on a small company are limited, and having those experienced people that they can help you and get you to put you in the right direction are going to be very essential. The big difference between deep tech and software companies is that software, if you make a mistake, is not that costly. Hardware, any mistake could be significant. Because you're investing a lot of money, a lot of things, time, and even not just money, the time. To any revision takes a lot of time. So any support from experienced people that you can get to reduce those mistakes are going to be invaluable. And so yeah, so we really think that your team putting together is going to be great.
Thank you, Reza. Thank you very much.
Thank you.